go ahead and invite them now.
As well as routing for fluids and power to the vehicle.
Okay. Now just know,
3 minutes,
he could be
30 seconds.
on timing, and that's because of latency and all of these
PY
things.
booster
So
lock
there's a
load
chance that
complete.
this rocket is going to go.
Lock load complete.
Loading finished up on the PY
He's saying
booster.
that everything's been loaded and the arms are
Next
off,
up at
so
around
that rocket
T-minus 2
should
minutes,
get
LOX
real
loading will
close.
complete on the second stage.
She was like, damn,
After LOX loading finishes, loading onto the second stage, the entire vehicle will be completely full with 2.8 million pounds of
I've
propellant.
never seen Falcon Heavy one.
2.8 million pounds of fuel.
2.8 million pounds.
Yep.
The various boosters finish up their LOX loading.
I want my open roads card.
I don't know if my credit limit would support that.
So see the steam just rolling off. And what we're really looking for is we want to see when they complete, they're going to have a big vent. Once they do that big vent, they got to go.
It's like quite a nice day down there in Port Canaveral.
This should be a real.
Funny thing is the controlling force is in Hawthorne, California. So these guys are watching it like we are.
I'll send it to her.
Excited?
I love space.
Yeah, it is awesome.
I love astrology. Awesome. Have you started the right thing as soon as it launches?
Now again, in
After it
just about
clears
15
the
seconds,
tower
we
and
will
we
be
see it
completing
clear the
LOX
sky,
loading on the
we'll turn
second
right
stage,
on and do a
which will
recap.
wrap up the propellant loading phase of our countdown.
This is a beautiful night.
And there it is, Falcon Heavy is now fully loaded with 2.8 million pounds of propellant.
Fully loaded.
Next, we should see some white clouds venting.
So here's the vent. Look, see the vent? Look at the big vent. They're venting the
Closeout process.
erector. So now they're closing out.
Following this, the vehicle will enter startup at T-minus 1 minute.
Uh-oh.
This is
1
when
minute.
the onboard flight computers take control of the countdown.
That's when the computers start. And then it's autonomous. They can't, it flies itself.
And shortly after the
So there is
vehicle
no pilot in
enters the
this.
startup phase, our
Well, there's nobody in it. There's
Nope.
Our LD or
Just a
launch director should
satellite the size of
final
the-
go for launch. Let's listen in for those call-outs.
And we're usually delayed just a little bit. So about the time we get to 6 or 7, it usually takes off.
40 seconds to launch.
And the cool part about this, Angel, check it out.
Falcon Heavy is in startup.
There we go.
Falcon Heavy has just entered the startup phase.
You can hear a pin drop out
50
here right now.
seconds. 50 seconds. Exactly.
Okay, so this is going to be Falcon Heavy. Port
And
Canaveral.
with confirmation of go
Launch
for
director, go for launch!
Falcon Heavy is ready to go to
You're ready.
space
It's about
at
to be a
T-minus
show.
37 seconds with the Viasat 3 mission.
And we'll go for launch. T+.
Where you want to keep your horizon right at the bottom of your phone because there it goes.
There it is. There goes the light.
Straight out. Straight out.
It's coming up.
Oh my God.
First night launch for the rocket van.
Woohoo! That is amazing.
Wait, we won't hear the sound for several seconds because we're quite a distance away.
God, it's so bright. Go right over us. It, she says. Oh my God, you're right. It is going to go right over us.
Yeah, it's going out over the channel.
That is so bright.
Can't even stare at it. It's so bright. I'm staring right at it right now. I don't care. Enjoy your eyesight.
Here comes the sound.
Yeah, here it comes. I don't know when it's coming.
It's going to get loud.
You can hear it.
If you're watching, that's Falcon Heavy right there. It's about to get loud.
Here it comes.
There it goes.
Supersonic and max Q right here. When they leave that trail, they're at max Q. They're going supersonic. Now, Angel, watch. The flame's going to get bigger. See the flame getting bigger?
Yeah.
The bottom of the rocket?
Much louder. We're just hearing when it was low.
Wow. Oh, we're going to see this the whole way.
Yeah, this will be a beautiful
Whole
one.
way. Now that's just the exhaust you're seeing.
So for anybody in the live stream, let me see if we can get you over here to get you up, and you can still see it up there.
Can you feel it?
That is it.
Yeah.
And you can see the plume because it's starting to hit the vacuum. So it's starting to expand quite a bit.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. There it is.
Oh, dude, are we gonna see the?
Now we need a big jellyfish. It'd be awesome.
You should see the separation.
Oh, dude, you're right. Are we gonna be able to
Look
see
at
the
that.
separation?
Look at that flame, how beautiful.
Oh, it's like green. I can tell.
It's entering the top of the atmosphere.
Haul in the mail.
Blue. It's turning blue.
Wow, how pretty.
And so the gravity turn is complete. They're accelerating through 17,500 miles an hour, and we're about to have separation.
Oh, I wonder if that was it.
It looked like it.
Is that Miko?
No,
No, it was Sep.
that might have been Sep. Because you might have broken up.
Looked like booster Sep.
No, it still looks just the same.
Yeah, it looks the exact same.
I wonder what that flash was.
That might have been Sep. That
There-
was Sep right there. That was
That's
Sep.
separation right there.
That's Sep. And you should see Miko real soon.
Yep,
What a
separation.
beautiful sight.
Separation. Wow, look at the fact that it's.
You could not pick a better night
how it's
to
still.
launch.
Oh, and you can kind of see the
It's
shock
almost a
diamonds in the
rainbow.
exhaust.
Look at that.
Miko? That was Miko?
Hold
Nope.
on.
Still going. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
You can kind of see the
Wow.
shock diamonds in the exhaust.
Jellyfish.
And it should just go black when we hit Miko. And then it'll reignite.
Booster engine cut off. Separation confirmed.
Yep, there they go. See them pulling to the side.
Wow, look at the jellyfish.
That is so cool. The color of the rainbow in that cloud.
Oh yeah, look at it. Yeah.
If you hung around for this,
Hold
you
on,
are
we
not
might be
going to
able
get a
to
more
see it.
beautiful.
Look how big it is. Look at the expansion now.
Look at that. Oh my word.
This is from the back side.
There it goes.
Miko.
Main engine cut off.
There we go.
Should have separation and relight in about 5 seconds.
There we go. We should see. There it
There it
goes.
goes.
There's relight.
There's relight.
And this is why SpaceX is winning.
Second engine start, I should say, not relight. let's be technically correct. SES. Second engine start.
Okay. I lost it.
And
I
it's
gotta tell you, from the live stream, this was not as loud as I thought it would be. It was quite a bit quieter. The Falcon 9 the other night was much louder.
all right. So if you guys look at the top up there, you can see the trails of the boosters,
Separation confirmed.
and the boosters have created their own jellyfish, and that's the turbulence coming off the rocket that makes that pretty color up there. And this has been impressive. And way out in the distance, there's a spot way out there. That's still the rocket. And probably in another 5 minutes, they'll be over the continent of Africa.
All right, so if you
Look at
go
it, still
out to
going.
that vlog, it is time for the long-promised rocket raid. So Dak is going to bring the raid party on.